The neurological impact of social isolation, strategies for reconnection and recovery. In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, the paradox of feeling more connected yet increasingly isolated is a reality many of us face. Technological advancements have made it easier to communicate with people across the globe. But they have also inadvertently contributed to a rise in social isolation. The COVID-19 pandemic has further amplified this issue, forcing millions into prolonged periods of physical distancing and social disconnection. Understanding the impact of social isolation on our brain has never been more crucial. Social isolation, defined as the absence of meaningful social interactions, contacts, and relationships with family, friends, and society, can have profound effects on our mental well-being. Unlike solitude, which can be a deliberate and often beneficial choice for personal reflection and mental health, involuntary isolation can lead to significant mental health challenges. Feelings of loneliness, depression, and anxiety are common among those who experience prolonged social isolation. But the effects go beyond just emotional well-being. They extend deep into the cognitive and structural realms of the brain. The human brain is a social organ, intricately wired for interaction and connection. From an evolutionary perspective, social bonds have been essential for survival, helping our ancestors thrive through cooperation and mutual support. Modern neuroscience supports this, showing that social interactions are fundamental to our cognitive development, emotional regulation, and overall mental health. Several brain regions, including the prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and hippocampus, play pivotal roles in processing social information and maintaining emotional balance. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for decision-making, social behavior, and personality expression. It helps us interpret social cues and respond appropriately in social situations. The amygdala, an almond-shaped structure, is key to processing emotions, particularly those related to fear and pleasure. It plays a significant role in how we perceive and react to the emotions of others, thus facilitating social interactions and relationships. The hippocampus, known for its role in memory formation and spatial navigation, is also involved in regulating stress responses and emotional balance. It helps us remember and interpret social experiences, contributing to our ability to navigate social environments effectively. Prolonged social isolation can lead to significant changes in the structure and function of these brain regions. For instance, research has shown that social isolation can result in cognitive decline, emotional dysregulation, and even structural brain changes. Cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and executive function can deteriorate, increasing the risk of developing conditions like dementia. Emotionally, an overactive amygdala can lead to heightened stress responses and increased anxiety and depression. Neurochemical imbalances, particularly involving serotonin and dopamine, further exacerbate these issues, contributing to mood disorders and emotional instability. However, the effects of social isolation are not necessarily irreversible. By recognizing the profound impact of isolation on the brain and implementing strategies to counteract these effects, we can begin to heal and restore our mental well-being. Re-establishing social connections, engaging in mental and physical activities, seeking professional help, practicing mindfulness, and utilizing technology are all effective methods for mitigating the damage caused by prolonged isolation. Moreover, societal interventions and policy changes are essential for creating environments that support social engagement and mental health. Reconnecting with family, friends, and community is crucial for combating social isolation. Regular social interactions can help stimulate the brain and improve cognitive and emotional health. Joining clubs, participating in group activities, and volunteering can provide opportunities for meaningful social engagement. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities such as puzzles, reading, and learning new skills can help maintain cognitive function. Physical exercise is also essential, as it promotes neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, and enhances brain plasticity. Professional help from therapists and counselors can provide support and strategies for coping with the effects of isolation. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other therapeutic approaches can help address negative thought patterns and improve emotional regulation. Practices such as mindfulness and meditation can help reduce stress, improve emotional balance, and enhance overall mental health. These techniques can also promote neuroplasticity, aiding in the recovery of brain function. While excessive use of technology can contribute to isolation, it can also be a valuable tool for reconnecting with others. Video calls, social media, and online communities can provide social interaction opportunities, particularly for those with mobility issues or living in remote areas. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, is crucial for brain health. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins support cognitive function and emotional well-being. Addressing social isolation requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and policymakers. Community programs that encourage social interaction, such as senior centers, community gardens, and recreational activities, can help reduce isolation. Policy changes that support social engagement, such as funding for mental health services, public transportation, and community centers, can make it easier for individuals to stay connected. Raising awareness about the importance of social connections for mental and physical health can encourage individuals to prioritize relationships and seek help when needed. Developing support networks for vulnerable populations, such as the elderly, disabled, and those with mental health conditions, can provide essential social interaction and reduce feelings of isolation. In conclusion, social isolation poses a significant threat to brain health, leading to cognitive decline, emotional dysregulation, and structural changes in the brain. However, by understanding the mechanisms through which isolation affects the brain, and implementing strategies to reconnect and stimulate the mind, it is possible to undo much of the damage. Re-establishing social connections, engaging in mental and physical activities, seeking professional help, practicing mindfulness, and utilizing technology are all effective methods for combating the effects of isolation. Furthermore, societal interventions and policy changes are crucial for creating an environment that supports social engagement and mental well-being. By working together, we can mitigate the impact of social isolation and promote healthier, more connected communities. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the effects of social isolation on the brain and how to undo the damage. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking discussions. And see you in the next video.